Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start backend development with Heroku, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Heroku account by visiting heroku.com. Click on the sign up button and fill in your details. Once your account is created, log in to the Heroku dashboard. Click on the Create New App button. Give your app a unique name and select your preferred region. Next, choose your deployment method. For this tutorial, we will focus on Git deployment. Make sure you have Git installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Initialize a Git repository with the command git in it. Add your project files to the repository using git add. Commit your changes with a meaningful message using git commit m initial commit. Now, link your local repository to Heroku. Run the command Heroku git remote your app name. Replace your app name with the name you chose earlier. Next, push your code to Heroku using the command git push Heroku master. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Once it's done, Heroku will provide a URL for your app. Open that URL in your browser to see your application live. If your app requires a database, consider setting up Heroku Postgres. Navigate to the Resources tab in your Heroku dashboard. Search for Heroku Postgres in the Add-ons section. Select the free tier and provision it for your app. Update your application code to connect to the database. Make sure to use environment variables for your database credentials. To set environment variables, go to the Settings tab in your Heroku app. Click on Reveal config vars and enter your variable key value pairs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.